Hi everybody, I wanna welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll take a flight to France. Buckle up and let's start! Do you know what is the castle with the most amazing garden in France? No doubt that we are talking about the Villandry Castle. The gardens at the castle are a perfect example of formal gardening in France. They are filled with different plants or vegetables to create beautiful, very symmetrical gardens. The castle was built in the early 1500s. It was one of the last of the French castles of the Renaissance period. In 1906, the gardens, which had been destroyed in the 19th century, were recreated with the style of the castle. The gardens cover 9 hectares and include 6 distinct gardens: a water garden with ponds and fountains, an ornamental garden with intricate patterns of clipped box filled with different flowers according to the seasons, and an enormous vegetable garden. Amazingly, the vegetable garden is one of the most beautiful parts of the garden, and it will make you desperate to revise your vegetable plot when you get home.